Chard Off.
Hello, welcome to Get Gardening. I'm Thordis Fredrickson.
And I'm Ian Roof.
Today we are back in the veg plot because these amazing chard caught my eye. And I've not grown them myself, but what a showstopper in the veg plot.
They are absolutely brilliant, and they've provided a really good crop of leaves right the way through the summer, and they will do right the way into the winter. And this is just a selection of rainbow chard, which has done really well, which was sown back in about June time. And it loves this soil here, it loves this spot because it's rich, it's well watered, it's an open spot, and it is absolutely great. And I think what the beauty about this chard is that not only can you use it in the kitchen, you can use it for wilting down, for putting into the bases of different flans and quiches and things like that. It's just great as the stems chopped, and you could steam them, or you could almost add them to some mixed roast veg, but it looks absolutely brilliant.
I'd like this in the garden. I think as a foliage plant, the stems, these rich magentas, these strong yellowy oranges are something else. The veining on the leaves as well. So you said it wants a lot of food, so this is a greedy plant.
Yeah, it's a very greedy plant, which is why we've had such great success with this, because this ground is not only manured most winters, but we use lots of rainwater here, so we get it sort of via a borehole, but you know, water you've collected in the water butts is great. Rainwater is just fantastic because, you know, as much as you water with tap water, if it's water butt water, the plants absolutely love it. And if you think it's maybe not doing quite as well, then a liquid feed would work equally as well. You could use something like liquid seaweed, or you could chop up nettles and put them in a bucket and work them down, and it works really well. And the great thing is we'll be able to crop this right the way through the winter as well. It may not look fantastic through the winter, not quite as good as this, but it will still crop really well. And if you had a cold greenhouse, what you could do now, and it's not too late, would be just to sow yourself some rows in the beds in the cold greenhouse, and they will give you some leaves to pick late winter, early spring. So when this lot has finished and done its thing, which it will eventually come to an end, you've got a fresh crop to take you on in the greenhouse.